Access to application and cloud data is a universal challenge. Often, this data is decentralized and locked behind proprietary APIs and databases. The CData Cloud Hub is a complete solution to your connectivity challenges. It is a cloud-based data hub that simplifies live data access. Through the Cloud Hub, users can define virtual databases for any of the 100+ supported data sources. These virtual resources appear as relational databases. However, instead of storing data, SQL queries are translated into API calls in real time. Business applications can connect to the Cloud Hub as if it were a SQL database, and read and write data from SaaS applications like Salesforce, NetSuite, Marketo, or even big data platforms like Mongo or Google BigQuery from any source, on-premise to cloud, cloud to on-premise, and cloud to cloud. With CData Cloud Hub, you can have centralized access to all of the sources essential to your business from any tool.